Hello everyone, kamusta ang weekend nyo? Happy weekends. Here I cook the mince here, vegetarian mince. For this spread onions, spring onions. Now I cut these roots so I can plant this in my own garden. So it start planting now before it's cold, so I can use more while still plenty of sun. And sun up first. So I need it in the garden. And here this nice bio cheese. Really good cheese, by the way. If you wanted to put pizza or you wanted to put it in your food like this, it's really good. This is non-dairy product cheese and it's good. If you want to get some normal cheese, you can do that as well. Actually, this is the cheese that we're using. This is 400 grams of minced meat. So plant-based, yeah. 100 grams. And let's put this one here. Just make it hot. You can also put a little bit of oil on them if you want to. So now it's been cooking like 5 minutes now or so. And I put this on the top, the cheese, so even nice flavor. Oh, smells good. So as you can see, the cheese is already minced, and then the cheese is already slowly melted. Oh, nice. You can put this on the top of your bread or something. Or you can eat it just like that. No rice challenge, guys. For those lover in the rice, you can put the rice here if you want. Once you put on, once in a while, no big deal. So here, you can put whatever cheese you want, many grams, but and let it be until it's melted, and it's ready to serve. So put it very high heat here. Use the electric one, so no worries. See, the cheese is melted and it tastes really nice. The cheese, guys. Once this one is melted, it's ready to eat because I put a bit more on it, so it's good. It's really good. Let's see. Yummy. So we're gonna put the lid on. So leave it for another 2 minutes and the food is ready. Ready for the lunch. Thanks everyone. Thank you for subscribing and tapping the bell on, so you will notify for many videos to come in the future. Thank you guys, and we'll come back to this when this one finished. It's good because it's see-through good, so I can see what's going on inside. See you soon. Hey guys, 2 minutes or so, let's open our food. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Let's see what happened, guys. Oh, the cheese is melting really good, and this thing is close right in my mouth. So we're gonna take away on it really good. Yeah, you just show me them. Very good. I think it's really good as well. Yum. I mean, the smell smells so good, and the cheese is melting. And spring onion smells so nice. It's gonna go get this, guys, in the grab this for a plate. Look at that. Oh, wow. Nice and steamy. Okay. This is so see? And leave it to the family to eat. Really, really good with it. Really nice. It tastes really, really good. Okay, guys. Some lemon. Sarap siya. Wow. Loob at that. So wow. Wow. Still steaming. Hot. Okay, try it. Also, you can put this Rosella tomato sauce here. Yeah. Just tiny bit, or in a sauce that you like. It's fine. See how that could taste it now. Look at that, guys. Look at that food. I mean, mapapadami yung rice mo nito if this is your food. You love rice, yeah, that's it. But I challenge myself right now not to giving any rice. Instead, I use the quinoa to substitute my carbohydrates. But every now and then I do eat rice, don't get me wrong. Because that's how I brought up with it. So yeah, let's eat, guys. Lala. Let's eat. And also, forgot, since we don't have spinach, often I put spinach on them. But this time I ran out with it. So yeah, you can put the fresh baby spinach and it's really, really good as well. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the show. Give us a comment down below what you want us to do. We try to do the best for you. Thank you, guys. Please do subscribe. Give us a comment down below so we can help you out in your channel too. Or know that you are there supporting us. Thank you so much. And once again, mega love shout out to everyone, our friends and family here, for the support or unlimited support and love that you give us. We really, really appreciate you. Once again, thank you, and I hope you enjoy your day, weekdays or weekends, wherever you are in the world. Stay safe, guys. It's your host here saying we love you all and we all appreciate it. You're coming back to us. Thank you once again from the bottom of our hearts. Bye and enjoy this yummy food. Very perfect lunch. Bye. See ya. This one didn't go well. But everywhere, look at them. They are so nice. They establish their roots on that tree. Look, they propagate themselves everywhere. Really, and they never grow inside. So they're very friendly. They're everywhere. Once you do this, you can't. This is actually whole year round pet food, even winter. This is not the house winter here. So yeah, so you can't really get no on it. So actually this one, once there is a really shine, which is not like the house, it's grayish. So once it's full sun, it's gonna be open this and really open wide. And you can see, you can flower as well. The flowers, and the flowers in the bottom is a passion fruit. See, it's a passion fruit right there in the middle one. Very, very good. And there's also a kind of flower. Oh, I've seen that too, guys. Really amazing flowers. Can I see this? I haven't seen the flowers and then do like that and fruiting on the top. Oh, maybe some of the two I saw that actually, like the zucchini. flowers, and then on the bottom is the fruits, but this one is baliktad or opposite. The fruits is actually from the top of the flowers like this. Pink flowers, then up, and then the fruits over there on the top. Amazing. I love them. I love them. You once you get to know the bride of this and really, really good for you, then you don't like them before, then you make them one thing you really, really like them. And there's more here. So we just fold down like that. Now let's pick them up and wash them. And eat it like that. Or you can make juice and put honey in it if you don't want the strong smell to but most here, especially kids in Australia, you just cut them up, wash it, cut them up, and eat it like that. And you don't mind. It's so easy to do. Little birds everywhere. Alright, now I'm gonna get this. And I will get some box. It's everywhere. Holy moly, guacamole. Wow, thank you Lord. This is my favorites. Okay, make some sweet and sunny ones, please. Fresh avocado, you're welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. See you again. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Happy Love is still working on the other side. Make more friends. See ya.